In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and optimize your YouTube channel and also to upload your first handful of videos. If you put these strategies to use with your own YouTube channel, you will experience way faster growth than if you don't do any of this stuff. We're going to be covering some really fun stuff. I'm going to show you how to actually design your YouTube banner and also your YouTube profile picture, and we're going to be using Canva Pro for that. I'm going to be teaching you how to do all of this while actually setting up my own YouTube channel, which is going to be a music YouTube channel, and that can be a very profitable and very fun thing to do, especially if you're looking for a way to make money online and you want to start a YouTube channel without actually showing your face. So you might be extra interested in that. In addition to learning how to quickly and efficiently design your own artwork for your YouTube channel, I'm also going to introduce you to and show you how I use TubeBuddy, which is an amazing tool that will skyrocket the growth of your YouTube channel. You can learn more about TubeBuddy by going to podsoundschool.com/TubeBuddy and try it out for free. And as an added bonus for stopping by the Pod Sound School and watching this video, I'm also going to include a keyword research worksheet that I use every day with our YouTube channel and with clients and students to boost the growth of their channels. You can download that by going to podsoundschool.com/keywords, and I'll be leaving the link in the description. We got a lot of fun stuff to cover. Let's hop over into my computer and learn all that stuff. Before we do, if you haven't met me yet, I'm Studio Steve. I am an audio and video producer, and you've reached the Pod Sound School, my friend. This channel is packed full of all sorts of amazing videos designed to help you take your online presence to the next level and seriously find yourself some financial freedom and that influence that you have been craving online. We're here to help you do that. So make sure you hit subscribe, follow us, check out our videos that we post every week. Okay, let's get to it. Now, before we even set up our channel, we're gonna need a YouTube channel banner. So let's hop over in Canva Pro and create our own channel banner. From the home page of Canva Pro, let's click on Create Design and start typing in YouTube. And one of the first things that pops up is YouTube Banner. Now, the first thing I recommend doing is actually hopping over to Google and typing in YouTube Banner Template and download the first image that pops up. Now we can upload this image we just downloaded into Canva and drag it to fill the entire design. This gives us the text and logo safe area, and the smallest box in the middle is what people will see when they view your channel from their smartphone. So we want to prioritize the name of our channel and any of the artwork that we want everyone to see into this first small box. So what I do is I actually go to the Elements tab along the left-hand side of Canva, and I choose a square element, and I will resize the square element to the size of this text and logo safe area. Now I don't really even need the template that we dragged in, and I will just use this box as my reference point moving forward. So for my design, the first thing I'm going to do is find an overall background picture that's cool. I have this one, and it's kind of a futuristic city, and I can just drag that in place of the template. Now let's go to the Photos tab along the left-hand side and type in fire and find a fire picture. This one looks great, but I need to click on the picture and select from the effects, remove background. And then, now that the background's removed, I can also add a cool effect to these flames. I will click on dual tone, which is a favorite effect of mine in Canva, and choose two colors that make these flames look really cool. Now I can reposition the flames to a place I like and turn the transparency down very low. And look, now my city sort of has these flame things. Now, I think of crows as kind of my spirit animal. So I'm going to find some pictures of crows, again by searching from the Photo tab on the left-hand side. And I'll remove the backgrounds of these pictures until I have 3 cool pictures of crows that I can place into my design in a way that I like. Now I can find a logo by going to Elements and typing in Alchemy, and I'll pick one that I like. And now from the left-hand side, I will select Text and type in the name of my channel, Alchemy, and H13. I'll position the text where I want it, and I can insert a subtitle and type in Music for Transformation. And finally, I think my city needs some dark clouds to add to the mood. So I can go back to the Photos tab and type in dark clouds. I love these clouds here, so I can drag them into my design, resize them and crop them right above the sort of water line here, and change the transparency as well. I can also click Command Bracket, which is the quick key to bring the cloud behind other elements in the design and get the clouds behind all of the crows and of the text. And would you look at that? Very quickly, I have a really fun looking YouTube banner, and all I have to do now is click on Share and choose Download and download my design. And now to our brand new YouTube channel. From the homepage on my channel, I'm going to click on the Customize Channel button in the top right corner. I'll see 3 tabs along the top under Channel Customization. Let's click on Basic Info. Here, I'll type in the name of my channel, Alchemy by H13, and I can choose a handle for my channel. I'll choose H13 Alchemy. And finally, it's important here to really spend some time to write out a good description. Here, you really want to tell YouTube what your channel is all about and what type of videos you will be posting to your channel. Under that, you will see your channel URL, and you can also add links to your website. I'm going to skip this for now. And if you want to, you can also add your email address so that people can contact you. Now, right next to basic info, let's click on branding. Here you will see picture, banner image, and video watermark. We're going to need a profile picture. You'll notice YouTube tells us that it's recommended to use a picture that's at least 98 by 98 pixels. So back to Canva Pro we go. From the home page, let's click on Create Design. From here, let's click Custom, and we'll type in 98 by 98 pixels. And here in Canva, I'm going to play around with different images and use the same logo I found from typing in Alchemy into the Elements tab. And then I can download my design. Now back to the channel customization page under the Branding tab, I can click on Upload and upload my new design. And that looks pretty great. And now let's do the same thing with the banner image. We'll click on Upload and choose the design that we made at the first of the video. And now we can see what it looks like by clicking on View Channel in the top right corner. And here, you'll most likely find that you'll need to hop back over to Canva Pro a few times and make some tiny adjustments to your design to get it to appear just right. I'll do that as well because I want the little yellow line at the bottom of my city to be at the very bottom of the design. So we can re-download our new design, go back to our branding page under the channel customization, and upload designs until we are happy. Okay, this is where I'm going to introduce you to a must-use tool if you want to grow quickly on YouTube, and that's TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is amazing! And you can try TubeBuddy for free by going to podsoundschool.com/TubeBuddy. When you go to that link, podsoundschool.com/TubeBuddy, you can download TubeBuddy there, and it works as a Google Chrome extension. It's very easy to set up, and you can get set up with just a few clicks. I have TubeBuddy installed already as an extension on my Google Chrome app, so now I can click here, TubeBuddy sign in required, and sign into TubeBuddy using the email address associated with this YouTube channel. Once you do this, you will see the TubeBuddy button in your top right corner, but you'll also notice some other changes happen to your channel, and TubeBuddy is now going to display some helpful tools for you. Another thing you will now have with TubeBuddy is more information about other channels on YouTube, which can be so valuable when you're doing competitor research and trying to find tags and different things like that to use for your channel, which is what we're trying to do right now, is find channel tags or keywords. So I'm going to go to the search bar and type in Meditative Mind, which is a big meditation music channel that I imagine my channel could be like. And when I view their channel, I now see Channelytics, which is information that TubeBuddy is showing me. And look, I also see the channel keywords. And here to the right, TubeBuddy gives me the option to copy these keywords to a clipboard. So now I can start a document and paste Meditative Mind's tags into this document. And this gives me a good idea of the tags that I can use for my own channel. And here is where you can find where to put your channel tags. Along the left-hand side of your channel at the very bottom, you'll see a settings wheel and the word settings. Click on that. A settings window pops up. Along the left-hand side, let's select channel, which is the second one on the list. And here we have some basic info for our channel. And the second box, look at that, says keywords and add keywords. Here I can now copy those tags that I have in my keywords document. And while we're here in this settings page, we can also now click on Advanced Settings, which is the tab to the right of Basic Info. And here's a great place to go down to where it asks, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? And let's click on No. Set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids, and then click Save. And the last tab, Feature Eligibility, you'll notice that all of my features are enabled. You don't need to worry too much about this tab. It usually defaults just where you want it. Okay, and now as promised, I'm going to share with you a game-changing process that you can go through with each one of your videos that will skyrocket the growth of your YouTube channel, especially when your channel is brand new. And that is keyword research. Also, as promised, I'm going to provide this exact keyword worksheet that I have created for you. You can find the link for this worksheet in the description where you're watching this video, or go to podsoundschool.com/keywords. You can also use your own spreadsheet for this, but I have customized this one to work with TubeBuddy and even included a fun color-coordinated drop-down box. And allow me to introduce you to my favorite tool that comes with TubeBuddy, and that is the Keyword Explorer. To access the Keyword Explorer tool, we're going to click on the TubeBuddy icon in the top right corner of your YouTube channel, and a TubeBuddy window pops up. Under the Tools tab of this window, you'll notice it says Keywords Explorer. And let's click on Launch Keyword Explorer now. And now what we're going to do is start the keyword research process, which is basically just typing in ideas we have for the titles of our videos. TubeBuddy will populate a score based off of our channel and give us an overall score in this first window. You'll also notice a window that is Score Analysis under the overall score window, and that gives us the search volume for any keyword we type in. What we're looking for here are keywords where the search volume is very high as possible, which would be the dark green color. We want to find keywords that are very high or as highly searched as possible while still achieving a high overall score, which you'll also notice TubeBuddy ranks out of 100. So if we can find a keyword that ranks as an overall score of 100 out of 100 and also gets a dark green color in the search volume, that is YouTube gold. And the more of those you title your videos, the quicker and faster your channel will explode on YouTube. So here, as part of your workflow, as part of your uploading process, you're going to need to do periodic keyword research, and you can just use the sheet that I've provided for you. And this is just a process of copying and pasting keywords that we find into our sheet. So for example, I found a really good one after only a couple minutes of searching, and that is music for changing cells. This is searched a lot. It's in the dark green, and my channel gets a ranking of 46 out of 100 for that. And although 46 isn't going to make my video pop up as the first couple videos in search results, this is a really good start. And also something that I wouldn't have thought about naming this video had I not done this keyword research. So don't skip out on this step. If you have any other questions about keyword research, leave them in the comments here right where you're watching this video, and I will personally respond. It might take me a day or two, but I'll get to you. So now that we have our channel set up, what I always recommend to clients and students when you're first starting a YouTube channel is to get a nice pile of videos set up, uploaded, and actually scheduled for what you can think of as your launch day, the big day that your channel is really going to have videos available for people to enjoy. This is a nice strategy because it can kind of get you caught up ahead into the future so that when it comes to your weekly workflow of grinding away each week, trying to make new videos, you can get yourself 5-10 videos sitting there to be actually released once a week or twice a week onto YouTube. The growth that you're going to experience on YouTube is going to happen over a long period of time. Sometimes it can happen in a month or two, but more often than not, it can take a year of dedicated and consistent posting on the platform to really start seeing that attention and that growth that you want. But after that, and after you get a hang of all these things that I'm teaching you with keyword research and actually looking at what your competitors are doing, after all of that, you're going to start to see some serious things happen to your YouTube channel. I'm really excited for that. So make sure that you stay in the loop with Pod Sound School and keep us posted with your progress. Comment here. I love to get to know you better here on YouTube. And let's get back to the computer. So I'm going to upload 3 videos right now. And there are a lot of details that you want to make sure to be including and make sure to optimize each one of your videos when you upload it. This will give each video the highest possible chance for search and for suggestibility on YouTube. The first thing is to include the titles that have been keyword researched that can now just be copied and pasted from our nifty and handy keyword research worksheet. Then we will also want to use some hot keywords in the first line of our description, and also spend some time really filling this description full of what this particular video or song is all about and what people can expect from watching it or from listening to it. And then, very importantly, we want to use a custom thumbnail, not just a frame from our video. Again, we can use Canva Pro to design thumbnails. I actually have a video where I show you how to design thumbnails by reverse engineering the thumbnails of some of our favorite creators. You can access that video by clicking on the little I button thingy that appears in the top right-hand corner where you're watching this video. Or you can check the description box below where I will leave the link for you. So when I upload videos like this to YouTube, I like to leave them unlisted for a day or so YouTube can check them for any copyright issues, etc., and so they can process. And then I will schedule them for their future release dates. And in the case of this channel, the first video will be on December 13th, 2022. So come over and check out this new channel and see what it looks like and tell me what you think. I will leave the link for this channel in the description box below as well. Or you can now find my YouTube channel by the tag H13Alchemy, or type in Alchemy H13 into the YouTube search engine. And there you have it, my friend. That really wasn't that hard, was it? You can find out more about all that we do here at the Pod Sound School by going to our website, podsoundschool.com. And remember, podsoundschool.com/keywords is where you can grab the nifty, cool worksheet that I made just for you, free of charge, because I love you and I want to see you succeed. And I definitely want to see you take advantage of strategic workflow principles that you put into the content that you produce. How cool is that? We got all set up. This video that you just watched is all part of a series of videos that I'm doing to bring you with me and to show you how to build a YouTube channel and continually post videos to that channel. So make sure that you check out this playlist here where you'll find more videos with this YouTube channel, H13Alchemy, where I show you how to do all sorts of other things. And I'm conducting an experiment to see just how long it takes me to monetize this channel, to start making money, and just how much money I can make off of it. So come join me on that journey.